Hey everyone, it's time for our post-Tenebras Love Bible Raffle number 3. This week the raffle will be this yellow NASB reader from R.L. Allan. This Bible was graciously donated by a member of the community, wanted to remain anonymous, so we will honor that, so thank you. This Bible is bound in this beautiful canary yellow natural grain goatskin. It has silver imprinted on the spine with silver gilding and trim. The liner is this beautiful navy color, and it has these textured cardstock end sheets. And this is an Allan First Edition by Royal Youngblood. The text is a 95 NASB, large print ultra thin reference. It's a verse by verse dual column layout with center column references. This edition comes with white head and tail bands and 3 navy Beresford ribbons. There's also a concordance, maps, and lined paper in the back. The R.L. Allan NASB Reader is one of the most popular NASB preaching Bibles in the world. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Post-Tenebras Love Bible raffles are a way that we can help raise some money for the Rice family. Jeffrey and Catherine Rice, owners of Post-Tenebras Lux Bible Rebinding, they had their son over a month ago now, and he's in the NICU, and they're having to travel back and forth, and they're not able to work as much putting out rebinds for their customers. TJ's doing great, Catherine's doing great. We just want to keep supporting this family so that they can focus on TJ and being there for him while he's developing. Now, if you want to become eligible for this beautiful first edition yellow NASB reader, scroll down and you'll see a direct link to the paypal.me account, or you can go to paypal.com and send your donation money to custom.bible.fundraiser@gmail.com. Again, any money that you send through PayPal to custom.bible.fundraiser@gmail.com, every dollar will go toward an entry into the raffle. If you send $1 or $5 or $20 or $100 or however much you want to send, that's how many entries you'll have in the raffle. So please donate what you can, and I hope you win this beautiful Bible. This is amazing. There's 2 more Bible raffles after this one as well. Thank you so much for participating in this raffle. It is greatly appreciated. Take care and God bless.